Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Crimson Desert game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Crimson Desert game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, from the main menu, you can go into the settings, or while you are playing your game, just pause it, and then go into others. From here, click on the settings option, and now you will find the language and audio section. Inside this, you will find the game language, which will change the written text within your language. You have various different languages to choose from, so use the left and right arrows to highlight your desired language. Once you have found your language, you can press the space button to apply. Confirm your changes, and now you can go back to enjoy your game within your chosen in-game language. If you wish to change this setting at any time in the future, just follow the same steps. Pause your game, go into others and then settings. And then from the language and audio tab, you can use the first option to toggle between your languages. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Crimson Desert game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.